What a special edition of the Good Day Cafe we have today. Now, for some folks, finding your way around the kitchen can be just a breeze. It's super simple. For others, though, it is a nightmare. How to even start chopping, what foods go with what. If that is you, we've got it covered for you. We have the perfect solution because our next guest has over 4 decades of culinary experience. He hosts weekly online cooking classes in an effort to help you sharpen your skills in the kitchen, and that's exactly what we're doing this morning. Joining us now in the Good Day Cafe, chef instructor, Chef Patrice is here to show us easy tips, ways that we can all make things better. And I will let you start cooking. And we did mention before, he's cooked for presidents. He's cooked for embassies. He's been an instructor at some of the most esteemed cooking academies in the world. And now you're cooking for us. What are we going to do today?
Now I'm cooking for you, Steve.
I love it.
How about that? You know? All right, so
I feel like you've downgraded instantly, but it's okay. It's okay. The skills are the same.
Right. What we're going to do today is a frittata. You know why? Because, you know, in the refrigerator, you look everywhere, oh, what am I going to eat tonight? What am I going to cook, right? You always have some eggs, and it's always in the back of the fridge, you know, a zucchini, a potato, something is there. Something, a tomato.
So we're going to take that something,
put it
mix
right
it with
there.
eggs.
Yeah, and today I've got butternut squash.
Okay.
So a little bit of onions, butternut squash.
Onions, butternut squash.
Tomatoes.
Slice up some tomatoes.
Peppers, roasted peppers.
Oh, the roasted peppers look fancy.
Oh, look at that. I've got some chives also. I'm going to put in the eggs.
Put the chives right in the eggs.
A little bit of cream. Go ahead and whisk it there. A little bit of cream to get some foam.
All right.
Very good. Now look at that. This is cooked already. You got to cook the potatoes a little bit, okay? That's what this is the kind of dish we do on my online cooking show. Very simple. People can follow step by step. It's very good. You good with the eggs?
I'm good with the eggs.
Put the eggs in the pan.
All right, let's pour
okay,
this
and
in
look
here.
at that. I haven't put the cheese yet because I want to show you something here.
Oh, I didn't do a good job of that.
That's okay. Don't worry about it. It looks good to me. Okay, very good. Now, look at that. The cheese, if you cut the cheese, this is a Gruyere, cut in small in pieces like that, and you put it around the frittata.
It's going to melt?
Yeah, but just a little bit. So when you eat it, you got pieces of cheese.
A little substance coming through as well.
Consistency and the texture is the key. You see? Simple trick, simple technique, it makes a huge difference.
Here's what I want to know with the frittata, the temperature that you ideally want to cook on, because we don't want it to cook too fast, we don't want it to cook too slow.
Yes.
What are we looking for, like a medium heat? Or
yeah, medium heat, but you know, the pan that you choose to make it is important. I'm using a cast iron in here. It maintains the heat, even distribution of heat.
Okay.
It's inexpensive.
And you preheat it?
And you preheat it a little bit. We're going to let it cook in here. I want to show you some of the things here.
Let's talk about some other tips that we can use in the kitchen. Some
things
shortcuts.
that I do also on my program, of course. Of course, you know, you have more than hundreds of classes to choose from, and they all categorize on easy, motivating, or challenging. So it's a class for everyone.
I like easy, but that's okay.
Yes, of course. Now, the eggs, you know, when you do hard-boiled eggs, people say they have a hard time to peel it. I say, do you have a trick how to peel the eggs? No, there is no trick. The trick is to cook the eggs perfectly. So you bring the water to a boil.
Okay.
And then it's 212, right? You put your eggs, you wait until it comes back to a boil, to 12 minutes. Shock them in the ice. You have 10 eggs, 20 eggs, they cook the same. Try to peel this one. I peel this one. So we go like this. Look at that. Whoops, it's already peeled.
Wait a minute.
Okay, what are you doing?
There you go. See?
There you go. You see, it's easy.
Actually, that was super easy.
You see that? It's the way you cook the eggs. Simple as that.
All right, how about the mushrooms?
The mushroom, oh, this is great. You know what it is? Porcini mushrooms, very expensive. Oh, let's watch this, huh? All right, porcini, very expensive. So if you can afford, you take some shiitake mushrooms. We're going to slice it. I didn't want to let you do that.
No, I did not want to do that.
Very good. All right, and then what we're going to do, we're going to take a little bowl like that. We're going to put the shiitake mushrooms, and I've got dry porcini. And, you know, you take the porcini.
So we're just getting a flavor from it.
Look at that.
Okay.
Oops, that's going to be a big porcini. And then now you take those mushrooms, you saute, you do whatever. You have porcini flavor and a shiitake mushroom.
We saved a lot of money in the process.
Oh, yes.
All right. How are the eggs coming over there?
The eggs. Let's check out the eggs. All right. This is...
Working on the eggs.
We're working on the stove, actually.
Yeah, it's our cooktop. It's not
now,
the
you
chef.
can
For us,
actually
me.
you can actually put this in the oven to finish cooking.
Okay.
The way you want it. And this is the good
How long
about...
should it cook?
Okay, that's a good question. When I'm in class and people ask me the question, how long should we cook it? Well, it all depends. But the good thing is I show people exactly what to look for. Like, for example, in here, you can see a little bit of cooking in the center, not too much in here.
Right.
If you like a little bit running, you can stop here. And if you have more cooked, go back in the oven and finish it up.
And let it finish off in the oven.
It'll take about, what, 5 to 10 minutes at the most.
What are we going to do with these tomatoes over here?
Well, you know what it is when it comes to peeling tomatoes. You put them in the water and then...
you want to cook them for 12 minutes like the eggs?
No.
That's not going to work in this
I got
case?
a much better fun way to do that. Watch out.
We're playing with fire.
Yeah, don't you like to play with fire? Okay, we're going to take that tomatoes in here. And then with the torch, you know, the one you use for the creme brulee. Look at that.
Goodness.
Yes, look at this. The skin can just start cracking like that. Whoa. All right, that's it.
Let's make sure we know what we're doing here.
Yeah, and look at that, look at that, look at it, look at it, look at this.
But it does just peel right off, doesn't it?
Beautiful. You see that?
Here's the
Perfect,
really cool thing. Now, this is where Chef is setting himself apart right here. If you sign up for his online, I don't think we got, there we go, we got it. If you sign up for his online cooking classes now, first of all, you're going to tell us a way you can save some money in the meantime. But keep in mind, when you, where he used to teach at the academy, you're spending thousands and thousands of dollars a year to learn from him. You can go online for $20. You can do a live 2-hour cooking class every Saturday at 4 o'clock. Sign up in advance. You can interact with the chef. He's going to let you know how you're doing. You have ask any questions you want. Send in the finished product. You'll critique all that good stuff. The information is on your screen right now. It is cookinglive.com. And Chef, if they wanted to
Dashlive.com.
Cooking-live.com. And if they want to get a discount, what do they do?
Well, today, if you sign up for my newsletter, you go to my website, I give you a free class and you can use it at any time.
Free class with a chef that's cooked for presidents.
Free class for everybody.
We're just coming for the free food.
There we go. Free food, free class.
There you go. Chef Patrice, thank you so much for coming
You're
in
welcome.
today.
Thank you for inviting me, guys.
Absolutely.
Please
You
come
teach me how to
back.
cook a hot dog.
Of course, and I can make it much better than you think.
Oh,